To better author a Gradle project plugin, it's first beneficial to understand the different types of plugins. This video gives an overview of the types of plugins Gradle supports.
Gradle supports 3 types of plugins, each applied at a different stage of the build lifecycle. The first type is Init plugins. Init plugins apply globally to all builds and are generally used to enforce corporate policies, set up shared CI settings, or apply global conventions. These plugins are required to end with a file name init.gradle.kts or init.gradle. The second type is setting plugins. These plugins are applied in the settings file. They are used to configure the build layout, including which projects are included, and how plugins are resolved. An example is the Velocity plugin. The third type is project plugins. These are applied in build files. They are used to configure individual projects, including tasks, dependencies, and project-specific settings. Each of these plugins extends a different interface and applies to a different scope. Plugins can be made available to Gradle in 3 different ways. Core plugins are bundled with Gradle itself. You don't author or publish them. Common examples are Java or application. Community plugins are authored and published by users to repositories like the Gradle plugin portal or Maven Central. Gradle downloads them if necessary, and then applies them to the appropriate scope. Local plugins are authored by teams but are not published to the public. They are generally stored with your project's build files. There are 2 ways to author your own plugins. The first is precompiled script plugins, which are written as .gradle.kts or .gradle files and are compiled automatically. The second are binary plugins, which are implemented in a JVM language and are packaged as jars. They are ideal for reusable, shareable plugins that are published to repositories. In this course, we will focus on authoring a binary plugin that can be applied to a project.